All right, boys, we got the Losi RZR Rey out here again, but this time we decided to put it on some big old tires. Some big old super swampers. All right, boys, we got the programmer out now. We're putting this on punch 9. All right, I think we're good. Nice. Whoa, seem more punchy now. Yeah, it's wheeling. Oh, looky there. Oh my God. The baddest RZR out now. DUALLY RZR, y'all ever seen that? That flex though. He pelted himself. Yeah.
We're gonna have to chill out on that because those are very fighty.
Oh yeah, in the sand. This is the only way to run a Losi RZR Rey. With some fatty dualies on it. Oh my God, dude, rowdy. All right, boys, we got the Losi RZR Rey out here on some dualies with some, we flipped the J Concept Fling Kings around to be paddles on the front. Tuned up to punch 9. Of course, we run everything on the highest punch. Let's get this thing going. Bro, she's rowdy.
I also turned the motor up.
The front, I think the front tires are ballooning.
They are, because they're not touching the ground.
If we're ballooning, does that mean we could backflip?
That's what I was gonna say. Was we need to go over there and hit coming the other way.
Let's just keep falling down the hill.
They're not wide enough, I don't think. I don't think they're wide enough.
I don't think so either.
I think if we put some Stampede tires on it, it'd probably do something stupid.
There we go, baby. No problem. But you know, the landing. Tumble wumble.
Oh, you're on all 4. We're golden.
Oh my God, the sand is coming up. This motor's got to be cooked.
Oh, it's gonna. It's hating its life.
Or maybe it's just time to get in grip.
That too.
All right, let's go launch into the canyon.
Okay.
Dude, it just grabs and it just goes. Oh.
Yeah, no.
This creation's amazing.
What happened down there?
Oh, they had a huge fire when I was out here the other day.
I can see that.
Well, look what they did to our hill. They made another jump at the bottom.
Oh, what the? Who?
I don't know.
Who did this? Bradley. Oh.
I mean, we kind of made it.
Hey, Brett. Hold on. I got you something. Here you go.
Is that a candy cane?
Here's your candy cane.
Oh, wait. It's still in the wrapper.
It's still in the wrapper.
I actually touched it.
No, you got it, bro.
Yeah, I actually touched it.
This is stupid. Oh.
Oh, it's knocking. We got a Ford.
It sounds like a Dodge to me. Yeah, what is up with that jump? Who put that there?
Dude, why is the gears already clicking?
Threaten me. Oh my gosh. Oh. Hey, Brett. I think you should return this thing. Did a backflip. Oh. Yeah. Oh.
Oh my God.
I think you just blew that tire a little bit.
Oh.
Ow! Oh, dude, you cracked your camera.
Oh, man.
Oh, I'm just kidding.
Oh. Oh, no, it's just a rock in there. See, it's just a rock.
What do you mean it's just a rock? What do you mean? That ain't no rock.
You hear that? It's just a rock.
Let me finish her.
I just put in low power mode doing that.
Oh.
Hold on, she overheated. She overheated.
I don't think she overheated. I think it's just she hates life.
Oh my God.
Do it again. Oh.
Well, that was fun while it lasted.
junk. I told you the diffs were garbage.
I know. We'll have to figure out a good diff upgrade for these things.
Well, you just have to build the Losi diffs.
Don't break your toe now, Byron. It's a Losi.
Yeah, just drive it home.
I'm just gonna go.
Just floor it and smack the curb. Oh.
Well, that was fun.
So that hill goes right down to the road.
Oh.
Oh my gosh. Ho, ho. Poor little.
All right, here you go, Byron. You try to finish it off now.
Okay.
All right, right to the trees. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, rowdy. It just holds the trigger down wherever it goes and where it's going. Low power mode.
We're about to put you in full power mode again. That battery's gonna hate us.
It's Ovonic. It'll be all right.
Ooh.
Oh my God. Oh. Not the plastic. We gotta know what diff is
I
back.
wonder what dip. Why is it making noise?
I have no
I have
clue.
treated this thing very well.
Oh.
I see what happened.
What happened?
Did you guys see that? That
Jesus.
rear diff is gone.
Is it? It's the rear?
Yeah.
Well, the DUALLY RZR was a success. We'll have to build the diffs and come back out here. That thing looks crazy, dude.
We just got the look of disappointment.
I don't give a about no Chevy. Oh my God.
This thing smells horrible.
It probably cooked the motor. Yeah, it's done. It's so hot right now.
No, I mean, you can smell it.
Oh, smell-o-vision. Smells like plastic.
It smells like something burnt.
What? It just reset itself. It's still making it back to the hit it fire, bro. Okay, guys, look at this Ovonic battery. I was joking, saying it's okay. Look at this battery.
Oh God, that's hotter.
Yeah, we gotta get this out of here. Yeah, that's hot. We gotta get this battery out of here.
Oh God, we need pliers.
Oh my
Right.
God.
Get the pliers.
Hold on, I got it.
Go get the pliers.
I got it.
Now take that and just put it in there.
Oh. That's why I don't play basketball.
That poor battery, dude.
That thing is so swollen. Oh my God. Well, it's somebody else's problem.